As you can tell from the title, I will be customizing my MacBook. Thank you to Julia K. Crist. If you don't know who she is already, she does a lot of fun digital type of videos on her channel. You should definitely go check her out. In this video, I will just follow through all of her tips that she gave in her YouTube video, and I just want to see how my MacBook is going to turn out at the end. So if you want, here I'm going on Pinterest and selecting the photos I want. Screensaver. So here I'm just creating a new folder and I'm dragging all the pictures into that folder, and then I'm going to go to System Preferences and go to Screensaver, and then there I am going to go to Hot Corners, which she showed in her video, and I'm going to select the upper left corner so that when I automatically just put my mouse over there, the screensaver will just start appearing, which is pretty cool. I didn't know that, so thank you, Julia. Next thing is the desktop folder icon. So she has a lot on her website. I'm going to link her website down below, and she has these really cute icons. I chose this rainbow one and then the flower one, which really grabbed my attention. And all I had to do here was click on the image, and then it'll take me to a new tab, and then from there I right click and I save my image as, you know, rainbow or whatever flower, and then from there I go on my little finder at the top of the upper right corner, and then I just type in what I saved my image as, and then it'll appear there, and then I just drag it, select the picture, click on the picture twice, and then it's going to show me the preview picture, and then right there I have to do some modifications because I can't automatically just drag it to the little folder. So I have to press Command A on the picture and then Command C, and then I click on the folder like I did over here, and then I just press Command V, so it just copies and pastes there. And I did that with the rest of my desktop icons and desktop folders, sorry. So this is how it looks. I think it looks super cute. Damn, I would have never known this, so thanks. So I have the same desktop as her, but I'm gonna change it up right now because I thought it was copying a little too much, you know what I'm saying? Here I'm just going on Pinterest and I'm finding the calendar, and then all I'm doing here is I saved it as usual, and then I pressed on the picture preview, and then I adjusted the size so you can either zoom in or zoom out. And then I have to do is press Command Shift 4 to take a screenshot of it and then adjust it and then just drag it on the sticky note. It's really easy, literally. But yeah, she explained everything very well. So yeah, I'm not telling you how to do it because this is all of her stuff, but I'm just showing you the run through, you know. And I don't think she mentioned this part in her video, but here this part is how to move your desktop folders. So all you have to do is right click and then you click on show view options, and then right there you have a lot of choices you can make with this. You can adjust the sizes, and yeah, it's pretty cool. But on the very last tab, you have the how you want your folders to be displayed. So right there you can have it from oldest to newest, or I don't know the size, but if you go on none, then you can just move your desktop folders anywhere you want. So I thought that was pretty cool. And yes, that's another wallpaper that she has, but I'm going to change it later on, and I actually created my own wallpaper and you'll see right now. So this was the final result. That was the wallpaper I was talking about. I actually made that one. I didn't make that one. And then, oh, I didn't change that one, but I'm gonna change it. Yeah, so thank you so much to Julia K. Crist. She definitely gave us a lot of tips and organizations for your MacBook, and I highly recommend you watching her videos. It's super cool. But yeah, thanks again, and I'll link everything of hers down below. Remember, all credit goes to her. I just followed everything in her video, and I thought it was pretty cool just to do a fun video. I don't know. So thanks. But yeah, thanks for watching.